Nausea can be very uncomfortable and unpleasant sensation, but there are several things you can do to help alleviate it. In this video, we'll be sharing some tips and tricks that you can use to overcome nausea and start feeling better. My first tip is ginger. One of the most effective natural remedies for nausea is ginger. Ginger has been shown to help reduce nausea and vomiting associated with motion sickness, morning sickness, and chemotherapy. You can consume ginger in various forms such as ginger tea or ginger supplements. My second tip is hydration. Staying hydrated is crucial when you are feeling nauseous. Drinking plenty of fluids, especially clear liquids like water, sports drink, and broth, can help to replace lost fluids and electrolytes, which can alleviate nausea. My third tip is avoid strong odors. Strong odors can often trigger feelings of nausea. To overcome this, it's essential to avoid strong smells like perfumes, cooking smells, or cigarette smoke. You can also try using essential oils with calming scents like lavender, peppermint, or lemon, which can help reduce nausea. If you're finding this information useful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn all notifications on to stay updated for my latest health and nutrition tips. My fourth tip is small frequent meals. Eating small frequent meals throughout the day can also help alleviate feelings of nausea. It's best to stick to bland, easy to digest foods like crackers, plain rice, or chicken broth. My fifth tip is medication. In some cases, over-the-counter medications can help alleviate nausea symptoms. However, it's essential to consult your doctor before taking any medication, especially if you have any underlying medical conditions. Remember, these tips may provide temporary relief for mild cases of nausea, but it's important to address the underlying cause and seek medical advice for persistent or severe symptoms. In conclusion, nausea can be a debilitating condition, but by following these simple tips, you can alleviate your symptoms and start feeling better. Remember to stay hydrated, avoid strong odors, and consume small frequent meals throughout the day. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.